Hey guys, it's Jody. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some basic slime. And probably you guys all know how to make slime, but just making a little fun, short slime tutorial video. So yeah. What you will need is like a little bowl. I'm using this like plastic one. And like a stick or anything. And I have contact lens solution or Tide. Well, I'm using both. I like to use this one and everything you'll see. And I have the glue, of course. This pink glue. So yeah, let's get started. So I don't really know how much I'm gonna do, but probably like a little bit. Wait. Sorry guys, I'm back. But I have this container. Probably gonna dump the slime out because this one's really old. But yeah, I'm gonna use that container. And I don't really like this slime thing. But I'm gonna put in this. Whoa, that's really, really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put in just maybe a few bit. Okay, that's enough. That is so enough. Oh no. So this is how much I used, like that much, because I can't use all my glue, obviously. So now I'm just gonna mix it right now with my stick. Let's move this out of the way. So I think I'm gonna use my activator. If this doesn't work, then I'll use my Tide. So I use a contact lens solution and Tide together because it kind of works and it makes it really cool. That's how I made all my other slimes. But yeah, I'm gonna put in a little bit. Oh. So I put it in and here it is. Oh. Okay, so it's coming together really well. You know, I'll just put you guys down, so let me show you guys how it looks like. Okay, guys, here is the close-up, and I'll be putting in, like, more Tide. But here's the Tide. Just put in a little bit, and oh, cool. It's working. I've never actually used Tide before. I only used like a little bit, but I've never used it before. But it's actually pretty cool, you know. So moving the camera and ooh, this looks nice. Okay guys, so I'm still mixing it. Right now, it's coming together really well, as you can tell. But I'm gonna just put some more in, so like, put some. Sorry if you can hear the sound. That's like the washing machine or something. I don't know. So, and I'm going. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm gonna get into my hands later with it, but I'm just gonna, mix it. Oh, wow. I don't use all of the activator because I don't want to over-activate it. Oh, look it, guys. It's working. Whoa. Okay, so it worked. Time to get messy. Uh-oh. So this is the sound, guys. And actually, I think it worked really well. Don't know, but I'm gonna put it on the surface for now. So I have it right here, the slime. And I'm going to move everything and I'll clean myself up and show you guys the slime. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, here is the slime. It is awesome. I love it. And it's still quite sticky, but it's really nice. Oh, got some on here. But this is what it looks like. And I think I'm going to do some ASMR with slime. But, woohoo! It's really nice. Ooh, you already got some ASMR going. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the ASMR now. So yeah, hope you like my ASMR. So yes, let's get right into it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is just my ASMR. No, you're not supposed to talk in it, but sorry, guys. I'll be quiet now. Anyways, thanks for watching my video, guys.